Many agents are moving to the WordPress platform for their real estate websites. It's a great platform and it's really easy to use once you get the hang of it. I want to show you how to install Spatial Match into WordPress, and then we're actually going to walk through how to create a custom widget which will display a photo on the right side here, and that photo will be clickable so people can click on it and jump right over to your Spatial Match installation right on the same site. So let's get started. To begin, we need to log into the back end of our WordPress site. A lot of templates have a WordPress admin button right down here, but if you don't have that, you can type in wp-admin and you'll be able to you'll come to this login screen where you can put in your username and password and log in. Okay, so now we're on the back end of our website and we want to create a new page for Spatial Match to display on. So we're going to come over here to Pages and we're going to open up this drop down and we'll click on Add New. Alright, so now we have a new page and we're going to give it a title. So in this case, let's call it Search for Homes. And now you'll note that there are two tabs here at the top right of your main body area. There's a visual tab and an HTML tab. And it's important that we're in the HTML tab for pasting Spatial Match code, which we're going to do next. So you'll see that I actually have my Spatial Match code right here. And I'm going to copy this. And in your case, of course, we would have given you a new code when you signed up for Spatial Match. So you'll use your code. And once you copy it, you can just paste it over here. And you'll notice that there's actually a width and a height call in pixels. So if you do want to modify the size of Spatial Match, you can. There are some minimums, so don't go below 700 pixels on the width or 500 pixels on the height. Otherwise, there are some display errors that might occur. So now the last step is on the right side, or sometimes actually further down the page, depending on what template you're using, or rather what theme you're using. There's a template option. And you'll see that by default, it's using this default template. But I really want to switch the template so I have a nice full page or full width template. So in my case, I'm going to click on this and you'll see a no sidebars template here. That's my full width option. On other themes, it's sometimes called a one column template or a no sidebars or a full width template. So it just depends on what theme you're using. So click on that no sidebars template, and we're now going to click Publish. And it's as easy as that. We've actually already created our Spatial Match page. So now I can just click View Page, and you'll see that we're on our website now, and Spatial Match is loading up, no problem. So that's it. Spatial Match is installed, and it only took us a couple minutes. The next step that's often asked about, though, is creating a widget on the home page or on other pages that links people over to this page. So a lot of people like to put in a picture that says search for homes to draw people in to coming to this page. And I'm going to show you that process now. It's actually pretty easy as well. So we're back in the back end of the site. And the first thing we're going to do is, as I showed you before, I've created this photo that says search for homes. And what we want to do is we want to upload this to our website first. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Media, and we'll open this up. And we'll click on Add New. And you'll see that we're at a file uploader now. And let's click on Select Files. And I'm just going to scroll down here, and my picture is right down here. So we'll just find it. There it is. And we'll upload it. And you can see that it's uploaded now, and it's already showing me a preview of the image. So that's all we have to do there. And if you scroll down, you'll see a file URL now. And this is where this image is located on my server. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to select this file URL, and I'm going to copy it. So you can go up here and click Edit, Copy, or use your shortcuts if you want. Now that we're done, I'll just click Save All Changes and I'm out. And we're ready to actually go build our widget. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to Appearance, and if we open this up, you'll see Widgets right down here. And if I click on Widgets, you'll actually see we're in the Widgets page, and we can see the available widgets as well as a sidebar over here. So the key to note is the available widgets are exactly that. It's the options I have for choosing what type of widget I want to use. And the sidebar, sidebar 1 in this case, is going to be the sidebar that displays on the right side of my site. So I basically just drag widgets in here to have them display on the site. And in our case, since we're building a custom widget, we're actually going to scroll down and use this text option here. And text actually lets us put a little HTML in there. So I'm going to just scroll up on the page and drag this text widget over here, and you'll see that it opens up. And now we can actually build our widget. So we'll give it a title, and in this case I'll call it Search for Homes. And then I'm going to actually put in a little code that's going to tell it what image to use. And so of course we're going to use the image we just put on our server. So all you need to do is enter the same things that I enter right now. So we're going to say open caret, and then I'm going to type img for image, space, and then src for source, and then equals, and a open parenthesis, or sorry, an open quotation mark. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to paste in the link that we just copied from the image that we uploaded to our server. So we're just going to paste that image, and there it is. And then we're going to close the quotation mark, and we're going to close the caret. And now if we click Save, and we'll just go to our home page now on our website, and we'll actually see that widget displaying. So here we are, and you can see that we now have this Search for Homes widget on the right with our nice Search for Homes photo here. So the last step is we want this this photo to be clickable, and that means we want to put a link behind it. So what we're going to do is, the first thing we need to do is we need to go find our spatial match page, and actually have this link right over to that URL. So I'm just going to jump back in here. We'll go visit pages again, and we did set up the Search for Homes page. So I'll click on that, and I'll just click View Page right here. And now I can copy the URL right from here for the view pages. All right, so now we'll jump right back into widgets. We'll open up our text widget, and we've got the link that we need for linking the image. So we're just going to put in a new call at the top here, and we're going to say open caret a space href, and then an equals and a quotation mark again. And this time we will put in the, oh, sorry, didn't need that. We'll put in the link that we just grabbed for our home search. So there it is. And again, we'll close the quotation mark and close the carets. So there you go, a href equals quote, and then the link we just grabbed for our new home search page, and then we'll close the quote and close the caret. Finally, we just need to put a close tag on the link. So down at the very bottom below your image, we'll just type an open caret, a slash, an A, and a close caret. And that is it. Now all we do is click save, and our widget will be linkable right back over to our spatial match page. So let's come back over to the home page of our site. We'll refresh it, and you'll see it looks very similar, except now when we roll over our widget, I can click anywhere on this image, and it's going to jump me right over to my search for homes page. So that's how you build a custom widget for the pages on your site to take you right over to your home search page. All right, well, that's it for the video, and we're posting lots of other videos on WordPress, so if you have other questions, we'll probably cover other items in those next few videos, so stay tuned.